So, I think one of the most important things in terms of creating happiness and joy and passion in our lives is to have something that we're excited about and to have a game that's worth playing. It's, the passion project. A lot of times it could be a hobby. It could be, for me, snow skiing, mountain biking, adventurous types of things. It could be your business, where you're out helping and you're serving people, that you're making a difference in people's lives. And I think when you can find a combination between the two, the hobby that you love that gives you energy, as well as a business that allows you to be able to create income as you help and serve other people, man, it's a powerful combination. And so that's what we do. And that's what our focus is here with the Lifestyle Business Quest, is to help and serve and support people to be able to find their passion and to be able to turn it into a business and to be able to grow that business in such a way that they can create a full-time income. And, as many of you know, I've been doing this for 25 years. It's amazing that time has flown as quickly as it has. And, I still love it as much today as I did from day one, way back in the day, 5,000 clients ago. And, it's just such an opportunity to be able to get in your creative space, to be able to share your ideas, to be able to make a difference in other people's lives, and of course to be able to compensate it, and very well, if you do it correctly, to make that difference and to be able to really serve and support people. So I'm super excited about this YouTube channel. This is brand new. I'm going to be sharing all kinds of tips and resources and ideas to be able to support you to grow this business, to figure out your passion, to create your story, to design and develop your program and your offer, and then to be able to market it, to be able to do it without being salesy, to be able to just share what you're all about from an authentic, from a real and a passionate place where people can really get you. Transparency is so incredibly important these days because with AI and everything else that's going on, nobody trusts each other anymore. We are in a trust recession in a big way. And so to be able to be authentic like this, to be out on the ski trail, out walking my dog, and to be able to create these videos and to be able to connect with you in such a way is a really powerful thing. So just touching base, want to shoot you a quick little video. If I can help in any way, you know where to find me. Take care. Peace.